All right, welcome back, buddy. PHC Health is dedicated to providing the highest quality health care and other services. Sarah Gassman-Schultz joins us right now, along with Steve Renaud, to tell us all about their wonderful products and services. Guys, welcome to the show. Great to have you here. Tell me about PHC Health a little bit and what you guys want to focus on today.
Well, we are locally owned and operated. We are located on James Island, and today we brought some of our sort of fun things.
Right.
And we're kind of wanting to show today that just because you're in the home confined to a wheelchair using a walker, you're not confined to the home. You can use any of our portable ramps. We've got these scooters, and if you're using a walker or wheelchair, now the community is required to be accessible, so once you're out and about, you're able to actually enjoy life.
Absolutely. Let's talk about how people can, recovering from common surgical practices, such as like a knee replacement, something like that, can really enjoy more of a quality of life and recover faster.
Well, we
Right.
have, yeah.
We have some of these items here that we can offer, and they're bathroom safety, reachers, sock aids, different things to help the patient and the caregiver manage their patient.
First, we got to focus on this thing. This looks like the Harley Davidson of cruisers around here. So what does this thing entail? How fast does it go is really what I want to know.
It goes about 15 to 20, so it can go that fast. You can set it to whatever you'd like it. But yeah, it's a pretty nice option for someone that used to ride motorcycles and may have had some type of injury and wants to get back to having something like that.
And may want to be noticed.
Yeah, is that something that kind of everyone coming off these surgeries needs, or do you guys have things that kind of range the gambit here that can go from the Cadillac you have here to the regular, you know, kind of
And
standard
it can
model?
be simply a knee walker or just a regular walker, temporary to long term.
Wonderful. What can someone expect when coming home from a joint replacement? Let's take that example.
Well, they really have a couple weeks where they are confined, but really it doesn't take long. You have therapy and you're out and about again, and you'll utilize, so you may go to using no device, but if it's something simple, it may just be the knee walker or walker.
Right, and we have the threshold ramps that is down there. It's a way to get in and out of the home. If they have a walker or something, they don't get stumbled up over the door jams and things like that.
So really, you guys have everything to make sure that these people can stay mobile and still live active lives while recovering.
That's right. That's right. That's the goal.
Well, tell me about how a patient can access your services. And do you guys have a showroom? Is there a catalog? How do people get the stuff that they need?
We do have a showroom on Maybank, and people are welcome to come in, caregivers, patients. We can show a lot of different items that people just don't know they're out there until they have a need.
Right, absolutely. And the staff here is really what sets you guys apart because you're so knowledgeable about this stuff.
It
Tell us
does.
about the staff and how they can really do a one-on-one assessment and make sure that you get the care that you need.
We have a lot of specialties at our agency, and so that's what we like. If we get a call, we want to know exactly what it is they need, and there may be a therapist or nurse tailored to what it is they need, or they'll go to the house, assess, and see what it is exactly that we should provide.
Yeah, Steve, what are you guys seeing trend-wise? Is it people coming off those surgeries? Is it more people doing live-in care? What kind of patients do you guys kind of service?
Yeah, there's a lot of people trying to be taken care of at the home now rather than staying in the hospital. So that's what we're all about, giving them the needs, the services and the needs to have them, be having an easy time getting recovery.
Absolutely. And do people have to spend a lot of money to do this thing? I mean, this thing obviously seems very expensive. It's chrome plated, but really you guys have a range of services that can help somebody really live a better life.
We do, and rental options. Sometimes it can be just a month, so it may not be that you want something more than a month, but that's it.
Okay, wonderful. So where are you guys located and how do people get in touch with you?
Well, 762-1177. We're on James Island on Maybank Highway.
And do you have to bring in a kind of doctor's prescription or note or saying this is the kind of problem that we have, or is it family members that can go in there and say, my loved one is having this kind of problem, is there anything we can do for them?
Anybody can come in. You don't need a doctor's order for a lot of the things that are in the showroom. Some of the things that will be insurance funded will need a doctor's order.
Okay, wonderful. But you guys can work all that paperwork too with the wonderful
We do the legwork, yes.
Okay, fantastic. Well, the information on your screen right there. Make sure you check them out. And we're going to go drive this thing off into the sunset, I think. Steve and Sarah, thank you guys so much for being here.
Thank you very
much.
All right, now over to my good friend Tom Crawford.